So let's talk about C. It's SEIC, and it's sitting at 29 cents right now. I used to cover this coin last year a lot, this year not that much. But let's talk about its long-term perspective, and then I'll talk about its short-term. Last time I covered this coin, let me check, when was it? While I go and search, can you let me know in the comments what do you think is going to be the all-time high of C this year in 2025 according to you? And of course, if you are invested in it, what do you like about this coin? Last time I talked about this thing on 5th of March. So that's March, April, May, June. That's been 4 months. And at that time, resistance was at 30 cents. And it got rejected from 29 cents and then back to the support of 21. As long as it holds, I would expect it to pump. Okay. So in 4 months, nothing has changed. Gala is still sitting at 29 cents. So it's still the same old situation. The only thing that has changed is that, sorry, not Gala. See, I was talking about Gala before this video. Sorry for that. The only thing that has changed is that C has gone down to 15 cents, 15.8. That's the only different case scenario. And Gala, I mean, this C is like a hero from 15 cents to 33.5 cents, 100% move. What a hero. Of course, it looks like a hero if you look at it like that. But if you look at the overall disaster this thing has gone through, from here to 15 cents, from $1.14 to 15 cents, then you can see that it's not that exciting anymore. And I think that day is not far. C has started its life from 6 cents. It has touched 15. It just needs to go about 50%, a bit more than 50% down from 15 cents. It will go and hit the starting price. Why can it go to starting price or below? There are multiple reasons for it. One, C, it didn't work out as SU. It didn't get any BlackRock, Grayscale, those kinds of names attached to it. Bad luck. The overall adoption of C is kind of questionable as well. Third thing is the overall inflation. Inflation of C is way more horrible than what the inflation of SU is. SU's inflation is 3 to 4% per annum, if I recall it correctly. But when we talk about C, it is 2.25% every fucking month. Now, the sad part is that this is crazy. And if you ask me why is it crazy, I'll tell you. Because at the start of launch of C, it's launched with only 18% of the supply. So the coin was launched with 18% of the supply. And since then, they keep on adding inflation. Initially, the inflation was 1.25%, then they increased the speed to 2.25. Now you would say it's only 2.25. It doesn't matter. It does, because it's a 2.25% of a 18%. So you are talking about an inflation of 12.5% every month. 12.5% of inflation every month means that in 8 months only in 8 months, C's inflation goes by 100% up, which means that if C was at $1, by investing $100 million in it, if you invest $100 million in C, it will go and hit the price of $1. But after inflation, now if you invest 100 million in it, it will not hit $1. It will hit only 50 cents. You now need $200 million to invest in C to again go back and hit $1. You need double power, and that's the fucked up case scenario about inflation. Even in your real life, look at eggs, look at bread, everything. It's still the same bloody egg and it's still the same fucking dollar in your hand, but you're not able to do what you were able to do. Is the same case scenario of inflation here. You will not be able to push it the way you used to push it. So C's inflation is crazy, and I think other than all other aspects, this is one of the major killer of this project is the inflation. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's talk about its technical analysis. What the hell do we expect from C? Well, it is simple. If C is not able to go and conquer the area of 30 cents, which was our previous area of interest in the month of March, then I would expect that, okay, C is struggling and C is going to go down. But if somehow it is able to go and conquer the area of 30 cents, because right now it's sitting at 29, it just changed to 28.9, but it is 29 cents. If we see closing 2 daily candles above the area of 30 cents, which it has not done yet, it closed one candle, the second one fucked up and went below. We have not seen 2 daily candles above 30 cents. If we don't see 2 daily candles closing above 30 cents, then get prepared for downward journey, which it did already. It failed and then it went all the way down here. This is how much? 24 cents. And this time, if it again doesn't close above 30 cents, it will go even further down than this. So be prepared. If it is not able to conquer 30 cents, be prepared for downward journey towards 21 cents. And of course, if it conquers 30 cents, I'll come back and I'll let you know that how would this moonshot work. You can even talk about 50 cents then. But if it is not able to conquer 30, prepare for 21. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.